Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO A53s, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, we can go with the new one to show you how you can do that on the more space screen. So just hold for a while your screen with your finger, and here on the left down corner you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there, and now as can you see, we got here all the available widgets that we can add on our screen. And for example, we can go with the calendar one, with the calendar schedule, or the regular one. For example, just to add the widget, tap here once on the this widget icon, and you'll see the widgets on your screen. Now you can move this widget. Just hold for a while and drag it here, and you can move it here on the screen or between the screens. But this way you can change the size of the widget. You can make it bigger or smaller. So you can add here one more widget on the screen. Now just go back, go to the widgets, and for example we can add here the clock one. Just tap here once on the widget, and you'll see here the new one on your screen. You can also move this widget here on the screen, or you can create a new screen with the widget. And if you want to remove the widget, you just have here tap on the X icon on the left upper corner. Now just go back, and here tap on the X icon, and here by the same way you can remove the second widget from your screen. And now just go back to save the changes. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.